The Very Timid Rabbit and the Frogs. Once upon a time in the deep woods lived a very timid rabbit. He would run at the speed of light at the sight of a zebra or deer. If he even hears a fox or tiger, he would shiver like a leaf. It's even said that he'd leap at the sight of a shadow, the wind, and other small things. One day, this scaredy rabbit was playing in the woods. Suddenly, there came a rustling sound from the bushes. Shocked, the rabbit leapt up and ran away. Looking back, the rabbit saw a family of squirrels climbing up a tree.
Oh, it was only some squirrels. Why am I so afraid of everything? Why can't I be strong? Always running away from everything.
The rabbit felt pathetic. The rabbit, now upset and thirsty, went to get a drink of water from a stream. The frogs in the stream plunked into the water.
Uh-oh, guys. Somebody is coming. Dive deeper.
The frogs cautiously swam to the surface, checking if the rabbit was now gone. Seeing them again, the rabbit started throwing pebbles towards the stream.
Oh no! He's dangerous!
Shouted the frogs. When the pebbles flew, the frogs quickly retreated into the water. The rabbit liked the sight of them running away. The rabbit kept chucking the pebbles whenever they surfaced.
Take this, frogs!
Then a frog called out loudly.
Why are you trying to kill us? It's not like that. I'm just having some fun,
replied the rabbit.
Please do not do this to us. You may think it is fun, but these pebbles can hurt and kill us. We feel threatened by your joke. Even if I was a scaredy rabbit myself, I can't believe I had the nerve to scare someone else.
The rabbit realized his mistake and apologized.
I'm sorry. I won't do it anymore. Do not come near us again. We were having fun when it was just us here.
Embarrassed and sorry, the rabbit quickly left the stream.
I need to be brave like these frogs and speak up for myself whenever other animals scare me too.
Rumor has it that after that fateful day, the rabbit lived a very brave life.